COVID lockdowns have fundamentally altered our way of life. With so much work stress, I like to take a day off and pamper myself by staying at a luxurious property. So today, I'm taking you to a stunning heritage property owned by the Taj Group of Hotels in Jaipur. But first, I have something for you that you have been waiting for. Resto Mod 1961 Ford Galaxy. Isn't she absolutely stunning? So while I enjoy driving this car, let me give you some information about it. The Ford Galaxy is a full-sized car manufactured by Ford in the United States from 1959 to 1974. The name Galaxy was used in a marketing effort to attract the excitement surrounding the space race for Ford's top models in full-size range between 1958 and 1961. The Galaxy competed against the popular full-size Chevrolet Impala and Plymouth Belvedere. Currently, this car is owned by the Jaipur Vintage Cars. Now let me show you the car's previous condition. These pictures were taken while the car was being restored. Now as you can see, they have completely changed the color of the car, and I must say that red looks great on this one. Because the parts were not available in India, all of them were imported from the United States. Two major changes have been made to this car. Engine is the first one. The original engine was a 6.4-litre 390 cubic inch V8. These engines came with 2 or 3 barrel carbs for more airflow to accommodate the needs of large engine size, which is unusual for India. For the time being, it has been replaced with a modern Ford 4-cylinder engine so that it can be driven on a daily basis. Furthermore, the missing components are both costly and unavailable at the present time. The original engine is still with the Jaipur Vintage Cars and they are looking for the parts to replace it. Another thing that has been modified is the roof. The previous owner did an outstanding job cutting and removing the top. He just added 4 bolts to make the roof reinstallable at any moment. Okay, let me tell you something interesting. This car was used in the Yes or No song by Jas Manak, which I'm sure all Punjabi song lovers are familiar with. So finally, we have arrived at the Jai Mahal Palace. I'm excited to spend some quality time here and tell you about this lovely heritage property. The Jai Mahal Palace Hotel in Jaipur was built in the traditional palace style in 1745 by Hargovind Natani. The architecture was highlighted by high domes, chhatris and cupolas. The lattice work, which was finally done upon all of these, involved intricate Rajasthani artworks. After Natani's death, the state reclaimed the Jai Mahal Palace Hotel, which was later converted into the official residence of the Residency Surgeon in 1860. The name of the palace was changed to Jai Mahal after Savai Mansingh took over the state of Jaipur in 1920s. In honor of his second son Jai and one of his ancestors Savai Jai Singh. This royal entity was later opened for limited visitors in December 1955. In 1984, the Taj Group of Hotels took over the Jai Mahal Palace and one of India's leading grand heritage hotels emerged. The Jai Mahal Palace Hotel is one of the most beautiful examples of Indo-Saracenic architecture, set in the lush 18 acres of exquisitely designed Mughal gardens. This palace is approximately 276 years old. Staying at this heritage hotel in Jaipur is a must if you want to feel like royalty. Now let's come back to the Ford Galaxy. So the final product is in front of you. What are your thoughts on it? Please let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to Miss Wheeler. I'll see you in the next episode.